Imagine waking up one day and half of humanity is just gone. No warning, no explanation, just an empty world. What would happen next? Let's dive into the shocking reality of what would unfold. First, let's talk numbers. Currently, there are about 8 billion people on Earth. If half disappeared, that's a sudden loss of 4 billion people. The impact would be felt everywhere. Homes, workplaces, and entire industries would come to a grinding halt. Essential services like electricity, water supply, and food distribution would collapse almost immediately. With fewer workers, maintaining these systems would become nearly impossible. Panic would spread like wildfire. Transportation would also face chaos. Airlines, buses, and trains would halt operations due to a lack of personnel and passengers. The global economy, it would be in shambles with markets crashing overnight. But amidst the chaos, nature would start to heal. Less human activity means fewer carbon emissions, reduced pollution, and wildlife reclaiming their habitats. Within months, the planet would begin to recover. Survivors would face a new challenge: rebuilding society. With fewer people, the value of community and cooperation would skyrocket. But conflict could arise over resources, land, and power, leading to potential wars or alliances. And let's not forget, fewer humans mean less genetic diversity. Over time, this could make humanity more vulnerable to diseases and genetic disorders. A smaller population also means fewer innovations and slower technological advancements. However, humans are resilient. We have the power to adapt and rebuild. This sudden population drop could be a wake-up call, a chance to create a more sustainable and harmonious world. So what if half the human population disappeared? It would be a mix of devastation and opportunity, a chance for humanity to rethink its relationship with the planet and each other. What would you do in such a world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.